In the gritty landscape of modern warfare, where every new technological advancement can tip the scales, Russia's latest development, the turtle tank, has grabbed the spotlight. Often resembling something straight out of a Hollywood action movie, this tank has stirred both awe and skepticism across the globe. But beyond its cinematic facade, is the turtle tank a true game changer or merely a logistical nightmare? As the Russian invasion of Ukraine deepens, with both sides enduring relentless combat, the turtle tank has emerged as a peculiar player. Described as a modified version of the traditional T-72 tank, this new behemoth is equipped with super cage armor, primarily designed to counter the increasing threat of drone attacks. While some hail it as a revolutionary step, others mock its cumbersome nature, likening it to a giant metal elephant. The most distinctive feature of the turtle tank is its metal cover, a robust structure that offers enhanced protection, particularly against kamikaze drones. However, this addition comes with significant trade-offs. The added weight and size of the cover not only hamper the tank's mobility, but also constrain the turret's movement, thereby impacting its overall combat capabilities. Moreover, while the tank includes an omnidirectional counter-drone electronic warfare jammer, its practical effectiveness in fast-paced battlefield scenarios remains a topic of debate. The cumbersome nature of the tank raises questions about its ability to adapt quickly to changing battlefield conditions and whether it can strike effectively without becoming an easy target. Psychological and tactical impacts. Despite its potential drawbacks, the turtle tank's imposing presence could play a psychological role, intimidating opponents and potentially altering their tactics. This aspect of warfare, often overlooked, can significantly impact the morale and strategic planning of opposing forces. The cost of protection. The development of the turtle tank is not just a military decision, but a strategic economic one as well. With Russia increasing its defense spending to 8.7% of its GDP, the allocation of approximately $200 million to the turtle tank project reflects a significant investment in adapting to modern warfare challenges. This move indicates a shift towards prioritizing survivability against the backdrop of advanced drone warfare, where traditional tanks have suffered considerable losses. Global implications and future prospects. As the war extends into its third year, the introduction of the turtle tank exemplifies the ongoing arms race between Ukraine and Russia, each striving to gain a technological upper hand. This development is part of a broader narrative of escalating military innovation, where both sides are compelled to innovate continuously in response to each other's tactics. Conclusion. The turtle tank, with its unique design and specialized features, represents a pivotal moment in military technology. Whether it will redefine battlefield strategies or serve as a costly experiment remains to be seen. As the conflict evolves, so too will the technologies that define it, with the turtle tank standing as a testament to the relentless pursuit of military superiority in an ever-changing theater of war. As the world watches this unfold, one thing is clear. The intersection of innovation and practicality will continue to dominate discussions on modern warfare, with the turtle tank being a prime example of this complex dynamic.